Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is day 24 of the day 23, whoops, of the Leetcode Day Challenge. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about today's farm. Voice a little gone, had a good night, say. And yeah, let's just get started. At some point I'll bring back some of the fun drone videos. But for now, let's go over this farm. 1680, concatenation of consecutive binary numbers. Given an integer n, return the decimal value of the binary string formed by concatenating the binary representation of 1 and n in order modulo 10, 9 to the 9 plus 7. What? Say what? Say what? Say what? Okay, I mean, I think this is pretty okay, right? The decimal, so okay, so what does that mean, the decimal value of this? Oh, okay, huh? Okay, so you want to, I think so. What I'm trying to do right now, or at least thinking to do right now, is trying to. There are a lot of base switching, which is fine. I'm trying to figure out if I need to do the base switch, or is it sufficient? No, I guess not. I mean, we could just simulate it. I mean, n is 10 to the 5th. This is also one of those weird problems where, to be honest, depends on number of inputs, right? So it's going to be O of n, where n is the input, which is technically exponential. But yeah, so we can just probably do that, and I think it'll be okay. So yeah, let's just get started, right? I think this is just an exercise in understanding modular math and what operations that you can do under different under the space of modular, under the modular space. So yeah, so guys, so for I in range from 1 to n inclusive, right? So we have a current thing, and then I think there are a couple of ways you can think about it. Right. Trying to think what's the cleanest way. Trying to think what's the cleanest way to write this. I mean, this is just gonna be simulation, and we're just trying to be, not, or I'm trying to be not sloppy, I suppose. I'm just trying to think about the yeah. I mean. I was, I guess I have an idea. I was gonna initially, yeah, I think I was initially going. I mean, you can definitely, there is a very straightforward way of like, okay, we convert it to binary. We take the, because this returns OX as the prefix, so you could just take the thing, and then maybe we could write something like you would ship it by by length of m, and then maybe do a for loop through this thing, right? For C and M, then current. Oh, well, maybe I did it the other way. Maybe something like this, where for C and M, if in C, say, and then and then then we just mod it by mod, and then that'll be probably okay. But I was trying to think whether I could do something a little bit cleaner, but yeah. So this is gonna be good. We should test because it's easy to test the big case just to see the timing. I think one thing you can do though, if you are, like you can simplify this by, and I think I maybe just got ahead of myself anyway a little bit. we can shift this by length of m, and then we just I, right? Because then this is already the binary thing. So yeah, so we can do it that way and see if that's how much, if it is any faster, maybe. So oh wow, that is actually much faster already. So because we're combining the shift and, I say shift and add, I guess it's shift and or, very much. And then the other thing to notice that you can also optimize a little bit on is that if you keep track of this m, the length of m function, not m, so which means the number of binary bits needed to represent this number, that actually only, that only increases on powers of 2, right? So yeah, so then you can maybe say shift is equal to 1, and then here if I is a power of 2, which there's always the, I'm not going to explain this one, but that's like the core way of doing it, say, and maybe this starts at 0, so then you can shift it by, and then here we can just do it by shift, something like that, right? Maybe I'm off by 1 though, but yeah, okay. So yeah, actually this one is a little bit longer. I don't know if that's just yeah, I think that's just Leetcode variant, so I wouldn't worry that much about it. So let's give it a submit. Apparently I did it like twice, but a lot of submissions in the past. Huh, am I gonna get time limit exceeded? No. Huh, it's way slow though. Anyway, that is my 906 day streak. So that's kind of cool. Yeah, yeah, this is going to be exponential time and the size of the input because this is O of n. How did I do it before? Wow, 1 second in Python, in Java. I guess I just did it lazy. Oh. What am I doing here? Oh, that's cute. I guess in the past I did it a different way. No, I mean, I guess I just shift and yeah, I think I just shift, right, and then shift and add. I kind of did this in a funky way, actually. I did it twice in Java for some reason. Why did I do it twice in Java? Here I did the same thing, maybe. Yeah, this is pretty poor Java too, to be honest. Oh, I guess this is just to count the number of bits needed. Okay. Oh, that is much faster. Like, even with the without the optimization. But this is much. Can I do a little bit better? I mean, these are the obvious ones for me. I'm doing 10,000. I'm curious if we space out the mods, will be a little bit faster, but again, that doesn't really matter. But oh well, we have to do mod at least once. Whoops. So I guess it does time out. But if we do, I mean, that part I kind of half expected. But if we do something like that, something like that, because the mod is kind of not cheap either. But yeah, I don't know if that's going to be much faster though. It'll be, I mean, it'll be fine. I don't know if it's much faster. Anyway, that's just me playing around. That's all I have for this one though. Let me know what you think. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. I'll see you later and take care. Bye bye.